Hello, learners. Welcome back. Myself, Sachin Pandit, welcomes you all in my channel. We are discussing MCQ series of compulsory English. Today, in this video, I will going to discuss with you MCQs of few lessons and few poetries. So basically, we'll discuss the lesson The Child by Premchand, and then A Simple Philosophy by Setal, Values in Life by Rudyard Kipling, Water, The Elixir of Life by C.V. Raman, and Introduction to the Right to Information Act 2005 by Prahlad Kachre. And the poetries are Say Not the Struggle Not Availed by Arthur Hugh Clarke, God's Grandeur by D.M. Hopkins, To Autumn by John Keats, and the very popular poem, Bengal Sailor by Sarojini Naidu, and the last one, The Stay Calm by Granville Glacier. So these are the lessons and the poems we are going to discuss their MCQs. Okay, so let's begin. First questions in your screen is, what is the pen name of Dhanpat Rai Srivastav? Okay, so these are the four options: A. Premchand, B. Paramchand, C. Phoolchand, or D. None of this. So the correct answer is Premchand. Got it? Next question. What is the name of the Gangu's wife? A. Ganga, B. Gomati, C. Radha, D. Rani. Correct answer is Gomati. Remember both questions from the lesson The Child. Okay. Next one. Why the white men did kill thousands of buffalo? Why the white men did kill thousands of buffalo? A. To stay alive. B. To live. C. To fill. D. None of this. The correct answer is to stay alive. Okay, the next one. What is the name of the lesson by Sethal? Okay, A. Simple Philosophy. B. The Child. C. Values in Life. D. None of this. The correct answer is A Simple Philosophy. Remember, I used this, or I already told you that in the very beginning of this video. The next question is, C.V. Raman won fill in the blanks in physics for his work on the scattering of light. A. Nobel Prize, B. Padma Bhushan, C. Both, or D. None of these. So the correct answer is Nobel Prize. Remember, okay? He got a Nobel Prize. Next one. What is the basis of A. Marriage, B. Life, C. Rain, D. Death. The correct of B. Life. What is the basis of life? Next one. What is the full form of RTI? A. Freedom of speech. B. Right to act. C. Right to information. D. A and B. The correct answer is Right to Information Act. Okay, 2005. Remember. Next, Right to Information Act is a small act containing, fill in the blanks, how many chapters or how many sections is there? A. 7 chapters and 31 sections. 6 chapters and 31 sections. 31 chapters and 6 sections, and 30 chapters and 7 sections. The correct answer is B. 6 chapter and 31 section. Okay, don't forget it. Your next question, Values in Life lesson by whom? William Slim, by William Slim or Prahlad Kachre, C.V. Raman, or Rudyard Kipling. The correct answer is Rudyard Kipling. Okay. Next, courage is fill in the blanks of mind. A. State, B. Emotions, C. Thought, or D. Feeling. It is a state of mind. Courage is a state of mind. Poet says it is wrong to say that our fill in the blanks is useless. A. Thoughts, B. Struggle, C. Life, D. Time. So, struggle. Answer is struggle. The poet said it is wrong to say that our struggle is useless. Next, God's Grandeur poem composed by J.M. Hopkins, by John Keats, H. Clow, or none of this? The correct answer is J.M. Hopkins. Okay, don't forget it. J.M. Hopkins composed the poem God's Grandeur. After that, God's Grandeur poem is written in the forms of A. Petrarchan sonnet, B. Italian sonnet, C. Both, D. None of this. So the correct answer is Petrarchan sonnet. Remember, I told you that if you have any queries about it, you can write me in description link or description box. I will give the details about it. Next, Say Not the Struggles Not Availed is poem of fill in the blanks and of. So A. Fighting and Tears, B. Reason and Logic, C. Courage and Hope, D. A and B. The correct answer is Courage and Hope. Okay, Say Not the Struggle Not Availed. It is a poem of courage and hope. Next is Bengal Sailor is a form of group of poem with the title A. Culture of India, B. Indian folk song, C. Sonnet, D. None of this. The correct answer is Indian folk song. Okay, remember this poem by Sarojini Naidu. Next, some are purple and fill in the blanks flaked grey bangles. A. Yellow, B. Green, C. Gold, D. Red. The correct answer is gold, purple and gold. Okay, next. You must learn to keep A. Right, B. Selflessness, C. Silence, D. Cool. So, silence. You must be learn to keep silence. Next, not quite easy to fill in the blanks. A. Laugh, B. Run, C. Forget, D. Sleep. So, forget. Okay, not quite easy to forget your. This is the one line from the stanza. Okay. The Bengal Sailor poem by whom? I already told you the answers, but once again we'll take it. By Sarojini Naidu, by John Keats, by Premchand, or none of these. The correct answer is by Sarojini Naidu. It is easy to get. A. Sleep, B. Time, C. Money, D. Angry. The correct answer is angry. Okay. Prahlad Kachre is a member of the fill in the blanks. A. Parliament, B. House, C. Maharashtra State Civil Service, D. None of this. The correct answer is C. Maharashtra State Civil Service. Okay. Values in life appears fill in the blanks. A book of words, a book of time, a book of tale, or none of these. These are your four options. The correct answer is a book of words. Okay. Next question is, if hope were troops, fears may be fill in the blanks question mark. A. Truth, B. Liar, C. Gone, D. None of these. The correct answer is liars. Okay. So remember. Next, who deals with the most general causes and principle of things? Okay. Who deals with the most general causes and principle of things? A. Wisdom and knowledge, B. Time and money, C. Thoughts and emotions, D. None of these. The correct answer is wisdom and the knowledge. Don't forget it. So thank you, dear friends. I hope you will benefited by this video and you will like it. So like this video, subscribe to my channel for more video and updates, and share with your friends. Thank you. Thanks a lot.